Hello and welcome to another home tour. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Nick with WayUp Media, and how incredible is the outside of this house at twilight hour, guys. This is just truly stunning. We are in for a treat. And shout out to the team of Tushar and Renee. Their details are going to be in the description below, along with the details of this house. Go check them out, go show them some love, and if you're interested in this home, definitely reach out to them and definitely check out the details of this home below. But before we enter, if you guys could do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it, as well as hit that notification bell. But without further ado, let's check out this home in the heart of Birmingham, Michigan. Real sought after location for sure, and this house has it all. So we are right off of the foyer right now, and you have an incredible layout here, starting with this office. Really liking the light feature here. A lot of natural lighting coming through all these windows. Love the wraparound porch as well too, if you saw it on the outside. I also like this feature right here. These are frosted sliding doors. Very private, perfect for someone that works from home, in-home meetings, all those kind of things. Very nice. But yeah, this is going to be a home that I really think you guys are going to enjoy. And I want to hear from you guys. What are your favorite features of this home as we tour it? Let me know in the comments below. That wine cellar is incredible. Grand dining room right over here. Really nice area to have. I love this view from over here. All your family gatherings, all your special occasions. This is the home to have them in for sure. I love this. Just a nice little view from the dining room to show off this amazing wine cellar right in the center of the home here. We'll take a look. I truly don't even know how many bottles this could hold, but it's definitely a lot. If you're a wine connoisseur, you would definitely love this for sure. And we're going to keep on going here, right off of the wine cellar in this hallway. You have this really cool wet bar with a nice island and bar stools. A lot of storage here. Really cool layout. Love these counters as well too, and these islands, the waterfall edge. Just really beautiful stone for sure. Love these colors, these browns and grays and creams. They really just add some flair as you walk into the kitchen here. So much storage. Right over here by the fridge and more cabinet space. Oh my gosh, is this kitchen amazing or what, guys? All appliances are Thermador. So we got dual ovens on each side. Cappuccino maker. Microwave toaster oven. Stovetops. Dual sinks. This island is just, man, I love the darker islands for sure. Let me know what you guys prefer. Do you guys prefer darker color schemes? Lighter color schemes? A little bit of both? I think the trend going on right now is a little bit of both in terms of a natural kind of style. And this one's on trend with that, I feel. New build, new construction, obviously. Really nice stage work. I love this dual facing fireplace right here. Love how this complements the bar. And on this side, you got your living room. We'll take a look at it from both views, but this kind of gives you a nice layout of everything. A little dark right now. Obviously, we're in twilight hour, but the yard, is completely fenced in. Very private. Can walk out right from that patio door over there. Perfect for kids, pets. Especially with these hardwood floors. I love these hardwood floors for sure. Real pretty. But yeah, guys, really appreciate always you guys tuning into these videos. Your feedback, your honest opinions, good or bad, whatever you like is what you like. And there's nothing wrong with that. But definitely also check us out on our social media pages as well too. We are going to be highlighting this house along with so many others. Doesn't matter the season, obviously. It is -7 degrees out, and this home is nice and toasty, so it's great to do home tours. So right downstairs here, fully finished basement. Got a bar right over here. And take a look at this. Love these ceilings as well, a little bit raised. You can put a nice pool table or a card table right here. Entertain over here. Nice sectional can go over here. But yeah, I mean, you can hear the echo. I mean, this is a big, big basement for sure. Look at this. What would you do with a space like this? Put a big sectional down here, pool table. What would you do down here? So much room. Some people might say put in some workout area, but you don't have to, because right directly down this hallway, you have your very own, with padded flooring, workout room. Mirrors already installed. So yeah, you don't have to use all that other space like a lot of people will divvy off for a workout area. You have your own private workout area, which is awesome. You know, I love it when you can do that, especially when you can have the padded flooring inside here. Bathroom with a shower, always a plus, especially with a workout room. And then this could be just added space down here. Could be a kid's playroom, another office, whatever you really want. The sky is the limit in this place. It's such a large home, but very warm feeling, which I love personally. That is just my 2 cents on that. Definitely my style for sure. Love these light fixtures right off this wet bar too. Light fixtures throughout are really, really pretty. All the detail just kind of matches and flows as we go upstairs. And I believe there are 3 normal bedrooms and then 1 in the primary as well. Really nice staircase here. I love this hallway up here. It's like its own little spacious floor and level. Room, I should say. Look at this. Love this chandelier. It's crazy. Just insane. We'll end in the primary. It's a beautiful one for sure, so definitely stick around. We're going to check out up here first. Starting with in here. You might have been wondering downstairs, where's the laundry? Upstairs laundry. A lot of room up here too, which is great. And I love upstairs laundries when they're close to the bedrooms because that's just such a convenient thing for sure. Don't have to lug laundry all around. Nice gathering space up here. How awesome is this? Overlooking the front of the house. Just stunning. And again, shout out to the team of Tushar and Renee for giving us the amazing privilege of checking out this home. Bedroom number 1 that we're checking out. Each bedroom has their own bathroom as well. Kind of give it a peek. Just stunning. A lot of closet space too. I think the light is off, but we can change that. Yeah, these closets are just huge. Very, very nice size closets. So yeah, shout out to that team of Tushar and Renee. You guys are awesome. Really appreciate you guys giving us the opportunity to come in here. And like I said, details for this home, details from their team are all in the description below. So definitely go check them out, guys. Bedroom number 2. Kind of like the hallway leading up to this bedroom. Really nice bath. Nice size bedrooms too. Raised ceiling makes all the difference, I'd say too. But yeah, really nice size bedrooms, closets, bathrooms are great. I always forget this one right here is right next to it. Another hallway. This bedroom kind of mimics the other in a way. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, really liking the space. Perfect family home for sure. But we're not done. Not yet anyways. For the grand finale, it is down here. This is your primary. To the right there, that is a furnace room, if you were wondering. Love these shelves right here. Perfect for your collectibles or your photo albums. Look at this primary closet. It's literally probably a little bit bigger than one of those bedrooms, I would say. But oh my gosh, all these built-ins and this island. This is what I mean, like the darker color schemes from the cabinetry with the lighter island top countertop. That stone is beautiful. Mirror built in, so much room. Lots of rooming here, guys. Just astounding. We're going to walk down here. Have a nice little prep area over here. Go into the primary bath. Overlooking your backyard. Got a nice sized tub and shower. All the bells and whistles. The hardware throughout is incredible. Look at this. You can check out the vanity. His and hers vanities too. Just incredible. Real nice. And I can feel those heated floors. They feel good. Especially, like I said, -7 degrees outside. But all the things you can appreciate in Michigan, even in the winter. There is a lot to. Look at this. This is a beautiful, warm and welcoming primary bedroom. Just outstanding. Just want to soak it in right here for a second. Real beautiful fireplace. So many windows, I should say. Look at this, guys. How incredible. It's just super serene and private. Like, blows me away. Just the flow of this home. I personally enjoy it. I want to hear from you guys. Let me know your thoughts of this house as we wind down here. Truly appreciate you guys coming on this home tour with me. Again, let me know your thoughts down below. If you guys could do me a few favors, like this video, subscribe to the channel. We would greatly appreciate it, as well as hit that notification bell so you know when we upload. Definitely check us out on our social media as well too. We'll be posting updates of this home. So many fun things that we're going to be posting about this home. A lot of fun content to come, along with so many others. So definitely go follow us there. Again, Nick with WayUp Media. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed the tour. And until the next one, I will see you guys soon. Take care.